Libra is the seventh sign of the zodiac and is associated with balance, harmony, and aesthetics. Those born under this sign between September 23rd and October 22nd are ruled by the planet Venus, which governs love, beauty, and pleasure. Here are some of the typical personality traits associated with Libra. Diplomatic. Libras often have a knack for mediation. They can see both sides of an issue, making them excellent peacemakers. Social and charming. Being an air sign, Libra individuals usually enjoy socializing and have an easygoing nature that helps them get along with many people. They have a natural charm and can be quite persuasive. Indecisive. Due to their ability to see every angle of a situation, Libras can sometimes find it hard to make decisions. They often go back and forth, weighing their options. Appreciation for beauty. Libras have a refined aesthetic sense. They appreciate beauty, art, and harmony in all forms, be it in music, art, or personal attire. Fair-minded. Justice and fairness are significant themes for Libra. They will often stand up for what's right and are known for their objective stance. Romantic. Ruled by Venus, Libras often have a romantic side. They enjoy being in love and are often looking for that ideal partnership. Easily influenced. Since they can see multiple perspectives, Libras can sometimes be easily swayed by others' opinions, making it hard for them to stick to their convictions. Idealistic. They often envision the best possible scenario and aim for high ideals, which can sometimes set them up for disappointment if reality falls short. Avoids confrontation. Libras dislike unpleasantness or disharmony, so they often go out of their way to avoid confrontation. They'd rather keep the peace, sometimes at the cost of their own needs. Intelligent and thoughtful. They often have a sharp intellect and enjoy discussing diverse topics. Their approach is usually balanced and they enjoy a good debate. Tendency to procrastinate. Due to their indecisiveness, they might put things off until the last minute. While these traits offer a general overview of the Libra personality, it's essential to note that individual differences exist. Factors like birth chart placements, upbringing, and personal experiences can modify or emphasize certain Libra characteristics. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.